The cavernous hall of the House of Representatives was a flurry of activity as lawmakers rushed to finish legislative business of the day before they go on extended break for the midterm polls in May. From a proposed law seeking to amend the Universal Health Care Act to outlawing certain actions by nuisance candidates to reinforcing the Bureau of Animal Industry Office to immortalizing sports icons and legends with interment at the Libingan ng mga Bayani, all these plus more cleared third and final reading as Armela Lesmoras reports.
With 193 members voting in the affirmative, 4 in the negative, and 0 abstentions.
A few days before the House of Representatives goes on recess, lawmakers are working tirelessly to pass several vital bills, like House Bill number 11357, seeking to amend the Universal Health Care Act, which is now approved on third and final reading. Under the bill, the premium contribution rates at PhilHealth will be lowered and benefits will be expanded, especially for OFWs. For its part, the Department of Health welcomed this move. According to DOH Secretary Teodoro Herbosa, this can be considered as a major development and they are now looking forward to the progress of the bill at the Bicameral Conference Committee. Also, the House of Representatives has approved on final reading the bill seeking to classify actions of nuisance candidates as election offenses. The bill pushing to strengthen the Bureau of Animal Industry and the creation of an Animal Competitiveness Enhancement Fund. The bill seeking to allow the interment of Filipino sports heroes at the Libingan ng mga Bayani, and 2 proposals pushing to enhance the tax measures for tobacco products in the country. Meanwhile, good news for Filipino workers. After its passage in the committee level last Thursday, House Bill number 11376, pushing to provide for a 200 peso daily wage increase for minimum wage workers in the private sector, has also passed on second reading. Several labor groups welcomed this, like the Trade Union Congress of the Philippines, which also renewed its call for the chief executive to certify the proposed wage hike as urgent. From PTV, Mela Lesmoras, Balitang Pambansa.